This is a game-changing video for you. In this episode, we're going to explore the incredible money habits that may be keeping you broke and poor, as revealed by none other than the legendary investor, Warren Buffett. If you're an investing beginner looking to level up your financial journey, then this video is tailor-made for you. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, has created immense wealth through his timeless investment strategies, and now he's sharing his secrets with all of us. So grab your notepads and get ready to take notes, because the wisdom we're about to uncover can truly transform your financial future. Did you know that one of the key habits that separates Warren Buffett from the crowd is his unwavering patience when it comes to investing? He believes in long-term value creation rather than chasing quick gains. Warren Buffett's iconic quote, "Our favorite holding period is forever," speaks volumes about his investment philosophy. So, my friends, let's learn to embrace the power of patience and adopt a long-term investing mindset. Warren Buffett is renowned for his mastery of value investing. He looks for high-quality companies with intrinsic value that are trading at bargain prices. If we want to invest like Warren, we need to understand the importance of conducting thorough research, analyzing financial statements, and identifying companies with a competitive advantage. By following Warren's footsteps, we can uncover hidden gems in the stock market. Listen up, my friends, because this habit has the potential to skyrocket your wealth. Warren Buffett understands the incredible power of compound interest, and he lets his money work for him. By reinvesting dividends and staying invested over the long run, he creates a compounding effect that accelerates his returns. So let's harness the magic of compound interest and watch our money grow exponentially. Next up, we have the habit of diversification. Warren Buffett advises us not to put all our eggs in one basket. Instead, he suggests spreading our investments across different asset classes and sectors. This ensures that if one investment underperforms, we have others that can help offset the losses. So let's diversify our portfolio and reduce the risk while maximizing potential growth. Even the greatest investors make mistakes, and Warren Buffett is no exception. However, what sets him apart is his ability to learn from those mistakes and stay rational. He emphasizes the importance of emotional control in investing and urges us to make decisions based on logic, not fear or greed. So let's take a page out of Warren's book and become disciplined, rational investors. Warren Buffett believes in investing in companies with sustainable competitive advantages. These advantages could be a strong brand, superior technology, or a unique business model. By investing in companies with a moat, as Warren calls it, we can benefit from their long-term profitability and solid market position. So let's keep an eye out for those competitive advantages when selecting our investments. Warren Buffett strongly emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and staying informed about the market and the businesses we invest in. He devotes a significant amount of time to reading and expanding his knowledge. So, my fellow investors, let's make learning a priority and stay ahead of the game by devouring books, articles, and staying up to date with market trends. When the market experiences downturns, it's crucial to maintain a calm and patient approach. Warren Buffett advises us not to panic and sell during these periods but rather to see them as buying opportunities. By staying level-headed and investing when others are fearful, we can capitalize on potential long-term gains. So let's embrace market corrections and remember that patience pays off. Last but certainly not least, Warren Buffett sets an incredible example through his philanthropic endeavors. He believes in giving back to society and has pledged to donate the majority of his wealth to charitable causes. By practicing philanthropy, we not only make a positive impact but also provide a sense of fulfillment and gratitude. So, let's follow Warren's lead and use our wealth to make the world a better place.